Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel coderslobby. Today we are going to learn about for loop. So before moving ahead, first we should know what is looping. Looping is a programming structure that repeats a set of instructions until a specified condition is met. That means a set of code will going to execute it until and unless the specified condition is met. So that is about looping. The most common loops which are used in VBA are for loop and while loop. But in this video, first we are going to learn about for loop. In the next video, we'll learn about while loop. So let us see practically how we can implement for loop in VBA. So let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, now we are in the VBA editor. Let us first write the code, and after that I will explain you how the code will going to work. So for that I'll create a variable demi as integer, and I'll implement for I is equal to 1 to 6, and I'll end this loop with next of I, and inside this block I'll implement the logic. So let's suppose I want to write at cell value cells I comma 1 dot value is equal to 100. And now let's move to the Excel and try to run the code. Okay, we are in the Excel now, and you can see the sheet is totally blank, but when I will click on the for loop button, the range from A1 to A6 will going to fill with 100. So you can see the range from A1 to A6 is filled with the value 100. So that's how we can implement the for loop in VBA. Now I'll explain you how the for loop is work. As you can see in this picture, the for loop will run for 6 times. The first time it will run, the value for I is 1 and the cell is 1 dot value is equal to 100, and it next time it will move to the end of block next I, and the value of I will get increased by 1, and the second time when it will run, the value from I will be 2. So that's how this loop works, and every time from 1 to 6, the value of I will get increased by 1, and it will run up to 6. So that's how the for loop works. So I hope it is clear for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update whenever we post the new videos to our channel. We'll meet in our next video. Till the time, bye bye.